Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to video call on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. The first method is to open the Snapchat app and swipe right to view the chat page. Here, tap the icon of the chat you want to video call. Now, tap the video icon at the top. The second method is to go back to the chat page and tap and hold the chat you want to video call. On the pop-up menu, tap Video Call. And that's how you video call on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.